In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your iPhone screen and text bigger. If you find yourself squinting at tiny letters, you're not alone. Your iPhone has built-in tools that make text, buttons, and even entire screens easier to see. We'll go through 3 straightforward methods, plus a quick bonus, so you can choose what feels best for your eyes. First, let's make text larger across your messages, email, and many apps. Open the Settings app, choose Display and Brightness, then tap Text Size. At the bottom, you'll find a slider with a small A on the left and a large A on the right. Drag it to the right to increase size and watch the sample text change instantly. Adjust until it feels comfortable. You'll see the difference right away, and you can come back anytime to fine-tune it. If that still isn't large enough, there's an extra large option. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and open Larger Text. Turn on larger accessibility sizes, and the same slider will extend further so you can make text significantly bigger. This can be a game changer if you prefer very large, easy-to-read letters. Next, if you want everything to appear bigger, icons, buttons, and text, use Display Zoom. Head to Settings, choose Display and Brightness, and open Display Zoom. Select Zoomed, then tap Set and confirm Use Zoomed. Your iPhone will restart, and when it comes back, the entire interface will be larger and easier to top. Just keep in mind you'll see a little less content on each screen because elements are scaled up. For those moments when you only need a closer look, turn on Zoom, the built-in magnifier. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Zoom, and switch it on. To use it, tap the screen 3 times quickly with 3 fingers to zoom in. Move around by dragging with 3 fingers. Triple tap with 3 fingers again to zoom back out. It's a fast way to read fine print or inspect a small detail without changing your overall setup. A quick bonus, bold text. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and turn on bold text. Your iPhone will restart, and afterward, letters will appear thicker and darker, which can boost readability when combined with larger sizes. Here's how to choose. If you mostly need bigger words, use Text Size. If you want the whole interface enlarged, choose Display Zoom. If you only need occasional magnification, enable Zoom and use the triple tap gesture.
Many people combine larger text with bold text for extra clarity. That's it. Customize these options until reading feels easy. Your iPhone should fit you, not the other way around. Enjoy your clearer screen and happy browsing.